Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Day in My Life channel. Today, this video is going to be all about my blouse collections. So come on, let's get into the video. So I have kept all blouses in this pouch. So let's see one by one. I'm not much into sarees, but then when it comes to collecting the blouses and stitching the blouses for those adorable pieces, it is very interesting to match them. So these are not only ready-made blouses but also customized stitched blouses which came along with the sarees. So I'm going to show everything. There are also lehenga blouses in this. So first is this black color beautiful embroidered blouse. So this came along with a sequined sari. So the blouse piece was given along with the sari, and this one was a stitched one. So I stitched as a sleeveless along with a bow at the back. And this is a normal V-neck. Actually the neck was very deep, but then I told the designer to stitch a patchwork of embroidery which was given in the blouse material. So this was the result. So I just love this sari because the embroidery in it. So next is this green colored blouse. This is also a customized stitched one. So this came along with my half sari. It is somewhat a brown with gold color combination. So next is my favorite one. This is also a sleeveless blouse, wherein it has the sequins stitched in it. All the embroidery are very vibrant, and it is really a beautiful one. So I'm just loving this. And this is also a customized stitched material. The material came along with the sari. And this is one of the beautiful colors that I have. It's a brownish golden color sari, and this also came along with the sari. And the neckline was stitched with this sequence of embroidery which I got from Amazon, and I gave it to my tailor to stitch it. And it's a boat neck. It's a boat neck blouse. Next is also my favorite sari, which is a black color one, and it has sequins here with the border. So it's a black color sari with all the designer stones, and it's not an embroidered one, it's a designer stone one. So next is a navy blue blouse. It's a padded one, and it's a sleeveless, and the sleeves are also attached, but I haven't stitched the sleeves yet, so I thought of wearing it as a sleeveless blouse, and it's a ready-made one. I think the rate is, I don't remember the rate. I got it from Pothys in T.Nagar, and this also is very beautiful, and it's fully sequenced work. This I got for my silk sari. So next is also one of my favorite saris. This material came along with the sari, and it's a silk, pure silk, and the thing is, it has the sari is a golden color with pallu being a copper sulfate color, so it's a double color sari. So double color in the sense, the pleats, that is copper sulfate, and the pallu is copper sulfate. The entire body will be in golden color. The color combination was so peculiar and it was so amazing. So my mom only got all these saris. All these saris are bought by my mom, and she will only choose and gift me. So this is a very wonderful color, and I just love it. And next one is this black color. I got this from Meesho, and the sari was just amazing, and it was a sequenced sari with the thing is that it's a shrinking material like satin cloth, which was very beautiful, and it's a this thing boat neck one with short sleeves. This is a stitched one, and the sari will be like this with sequins and satin spring like thing. This is another ready-made blouse. So it's a sleeveless with, it's a sleeveless blouse with halter neck. This is the back side of the blouse, and this is a sleeveless blouse. So it will be very beautiful. I got this for silk sari, Kanchipuram pure silk sari. I got this ready-made blouse, and I also have this stitched blouse with me. Since I wanted a sleeveless blouse, I got another thing. And this is also my favorite sari. Actually, all my saris are very favorite to me and very close to my heart, because all the patterns are different from each other, and all the saris were chosen with so much love, and I just love it. And this is a stitched one, customized one, and it's a sequence sari. It has frills too in the sari, and this is the blouse. So next blouse is also for a silk sari. It's a ready-made sari, and the size is a big one. I have to stitch it and customize it according to my size, and this is also for a silk sari. And this is a brocade blouse which I got. I don't remember where I got it. I think I got it from Ajio, I guess. I got it long back, so I don't remember where I got this, but it's a brocade blouse. And this is also my favorite one. So I would have shown a brown color silk sarees blouse. So this is another pair of blouse with same saree, and if you want to like pair the saree with a contrast color, then since the saree had antique gold color, I also got an antique gold blouse. I got two blouse pieces. One was with material, I stitched it, and this was a ready-made one with a sequence in it. So why I got two thing is, like, one will be uniform color, so when you want it to be very ethnic and very beautiful, you can go with that. And if you want to like flaunt yourself with a sleeveless blouse and with a sequence design, then you can wear this one with a contrast blouse. So it is a padded one, and it has sequins, complete sequins in it. And the back of the blouse will be like this, V-shaped. And this is for a Kanjivaram sari. So this is the silk. This blouse is also a boat-necked one. This is also for a Kanjivaram silk sari, and this came along with the sari. So this is also basically a silk, pure Kanjivaram silk. So I thought of showing you some of the lehenga blouses as well. So these are all ready-made lehenga blouses, and this one I got from Meesho. Definitely I'll be showing one of the styling videos with this, and it comes with a shawl pinned in it like a ready-made one. So it's a boat neck with beautiful 3/4 sleeve, and it is fully embroidered one along with sequins in it. So the color was very unique and it was very beautiful. So this came with this is a ready-made one. So next one is also a lehenga blouse. And the sleeve is, it has complete embroidery with sequins and stones stitched into it, and it's a ready-made one. So the lehenga itself is a ready-made one, and this is its blouse. And this is also another lehenga, a ready-made one. So it has full sleeves with frills, bell sleeve basically. So this is also one of my favorite lehengas. So next one is this green color. It's a brocade blouse for one of the sarees. So I think the saree is a soft silk saree. And next one is also also a Readymade sari. I got this from Meesho. It's a full hand sari. Sorry, it's a 3/4 sari, 3/4 hand with a back design, and it's fully embroidered one. It's a machine embroidered one. So this is another lehenga top. It's a Readymade one with 3/4 hand. It will be very beautiful with all these embroidered works here, designer works. And last but not the least is my very first sari blouse. So this sari, last but not the least, is this vibrant red color sari with golden color, and it has a zigzag V cut here. It's a cutout sari. So this was my very first sari which I got it, and which my mom got for me, and this was my very first sari and my very first blouse. So it has a elbow sleeve with a cutout neck. It's a boat neck along with cutout neck. So that's all, friends. Today's video you would have enjoyed, I guess. I feel so happy showcasing my beautiful sari blouse collection. And that's it, guys, for today's video, and I love showcasing my blouse collection. I hope you would have enjoyed it as much as I did. Let's catch up in another informative and entertaining video. And until then, it's bye from Lydia. Bye.